Hey guys, what's up? IDragon HD here, Charlie, and today we are unboxing the brand new IDragon HD camera. This is the Canon EOS 1200D, and it comes with an EFS 18 to 55mm lens, which is the Mark III, I believe, and that's the kit that comes with it. So anyway, on the top here you can see Canon, you can see the top view of the camera there, EOS 1200D EFS 15 to 85mm lens 3 kit, version 3 kit. There's the front of it. Again, tells you about, that's the front of the camera, telling you about the features on it. EOS 1200D there, Canon branding. It tells you about there the companion app. On the bottom there's nothing. On the side, some stuff there. On the back, some specs saying it requires Windows XP Service Pack 3 and Mac OS 10.7, which I've got, so 10.9, but yeah, that's the requirements. And on this side then tells you the contents. So let's open this up. So got this. Okay, so here we go. Right, so right here it tells you about the EOS companion app. First thing we see in lots of different languages. There. Next we have, basically, I believe this is the manuals and stuff. Get the most from your EOS in here. Go. Thanks for choosing Canon EOS camera. Okay. Right, so right here we have the strap for the neck. There we go. Nice. Red, got EOS on it. Tidy. There we go. Side there. What else do we have? Okay, I guess that this is part of a charging cable. Yeah. It's a bit stuck. But there we go. Guessing it's probably part of a base, because that's the port, part of the charger. Okay, here's the water charger, so I guess you put your battery in there, and I guess you plug the thing in there. There's that. Okay, right here we have a lovely jubbly battery. There go, with the ports on the end, nice cap for it. There. Move all this to the side a sec. Okay, right, by here we have, I guess, a syncing cable there. Micro USB 1. I'm trying to make a room days. Right, what else do we have here? Okay, this is the 18 to 55mm lens. And it comes with a lens cap, which is cool. There we go, there's the back end of it. Ooh, doubt you'll actually see it as we go. There's a lens cap on if you don't see anything. Right, there's that. And there's the front. Lovely. Nice. Put that there. And then here is the camera itself. Ooh. Okay. Oh, right. Is there got a screen protector on you? Don't know. Looks like there is. So here's the camera. Okay. Right, there we go. As this is the baldy bark there. Let's see if we've got any juice on it. Actually, one of a battery in it. Silly Charlie. Right, yeah, I've got to put the battery in it. Okay, so yeah, there's the new camera, but there. So let's see if we can install the battery. I wonder if we've got any juice in it. Get off my hand. Okay, so pins there. bit like this, I guess. No, it looks more like this. I don't know, let's see where the dimples are. Yep, it's this way. Yeah. So that's where the SD card goes there. Clear that up. Let's turn around. Okay, so now I've got to do some setup on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching this unboxing video. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you with the new recordings on this boy. So let's take a quick little moment of silence to thank the brilliant Toshiba Camilio for its 1-year service. So thank you, Toshiba. Anyway, thanks for that, and I'll see you in sometime probably in 2015. Peace.